Kadorba Shnong Laim Kra, Hadian Gajing Shong Jelang Badu Deputy Commissioner, CEO Kashilong Municipal Board, Perkumjo SP Traffic, Bat Gajing Dan Kinomi Ikmat Nagadorbar, Shnong Nongrim Hills, Kabula Long Haka Nyoterik Ujumang Arjar Busau, Hako Office UDC, Kaniga Dorbar, Haka Janmi Jungate, Kaju Kasni, Kalala Ban Pinmi Sendon, Deki Kendon, Kibating E, Ikibrio Nakachat Nrio Harijan, Kibasa, Hagora Line Colony, Hakaju Ikasni Kat Kumka video Kabala Opidang, Lala Ban Saki, Bagator Bashnong Laim Kra, Kabadan Laingut Kirang Bashnong, Uba PS Nong Kendri, Ba Andrew A. Jerwa, Bat Uba Theory Merbo, Haringkat Kaseng Longkme, Kaseng Samla, Hadian Kajing Don Jingelang Paramaki, Kilakot Hajeri Kinong Batkam, Haka Colony Committee, Batban Bu, Deki Kendon Kibating E Yaki, Haringkat Kajing Pulie Kini Kendon, Kibaki Hab Ban Pensngau Kaktin Nongway, The Urang Bashnong, Ba Andrew Jerwa, Kaladon Ru Kajing Pensngau Shaki Baki Samla Ka Colony, Kila Syak Pen Khamti Ban Perman Ya Kajing Long Jingman Hapo Ka Colony Ba Anum Dan Mano Ban Penmi Jingkulmar Lani Kinu Ki Kampin Triam Kinongket Kam Ka Committee Ki Hab Ban Telaka Mikinu Jing Huri Ura Ki Ba Penmi Hapo Ka Te Colony Bat Pentikina Bakim De Ban Poi Shakilinti Singkeng Kinongket Kam Ka Committee Kin Hab Ban Shem Ya Kajing Kit Kle Ban Lum Mi Registration Number Barki Number Phone Jong Ki Kali Ki Bakentup Iki Archaka Bat Ban IT Shka Office Urang Ba Ashnong Laim Kra Kinongket Kam Ka Committee Kin Hab Ban Khanglat Ikinong Shong Shnong Ban Bread Ikinyut Hakiwa Lani Ki Chaka Ki Bayaso Ban Khanglat Ikibrio Ki Basa Agora Line Colony Ban Rong Shiki Chaka Ki Ba Marjan Ban Le Iki Kamsnio Kum Ka Jindi Ganja Ka Jindi Kiat Ba Ka Jindi Drugs Ka Dorba Shnong Kala Ongru Ba Kan Pinstam La Dalap Ikino Ki Ba Pinmi Jing Sawa Lani Pinmi Jing Yahala Kontobru Kino Ki Banya Trumori Ki Kali Kin Sha Bat Pinstam Bat Ban Numsha Ban Sai Kali Ki Surok Katkum Ka Central Code of Vehicle Act Ban Numsha Ban Penhe Jing Ruai Din Chupobuji Minmiet Lai No Tang Ki Singi Kerpang Palamanaru Ba Ka Colony Kamde Ban Ai Sernot Nalor Ki Kot Don Kam Yano Bat Detang Ka Dorbar Ka Badani Ka Bor Ban Ai Nakaliang Ka Dorbar Shnong Kilong Ladami Kano Ka Jing Huri Ura Hapo Ka Colony Ki Brio Ki Bashong Basa Akate Ka Jaka Kimde Ban Mi Shabar Ban Ra Ikinu Ki Tiar Pen Sao Ki Bakentup Kum Ki Tari Ki Talwar Lani Ki Ding Teli.
We have decided on account of the hearing convened today, the 7th of May 2024, pertaining to summoning of residents of the colony with regards to disturbances around the community in Lankra. On behalf of the colony committee members, we undertake to give an assurance to follow and avoid the following conditions in order to maintain law and order in and adjoining areas of the colony. Point number 1. The youth organization of the colony are to keep order and keep check on any nuisance or unwanted activities created by anyone from within the colony. Alright? Point number 2. Any trouble created inside the colony committee members will have to contain and control of any such disturbances, and it should not come out to the road. Point number 2. Point number 3. The colony committee members to take responsibility in collecting the registration numbers, owner's name, and contact number of all the vehicles, both 4 and 2-wheelers, and to submit within 3 days to the office of the Rambashnong Lagapra. Clear? Point number 4. To prevent disposal of garbages into the river or adjoining areas. Number 5. To contain and prevent people from Harijan colony entering neighboring localities and creating nuisance and unwanted activities. Unwanted activities like smoking of ganja, drinking of alcohol, and using of drugs. Alright? Because these are all that we have discussed here, and which people from members from the Dorbar and from Naurumau and from adjoining localities have been witnessing. Alright? Point number 6. Loud noises and shouting should be controlled, and if found, Dorbar will take serious action. That is also that we have already discussed. Right? That which you have all agreed. Point number 7. The youths of locality who are driving rashly will be caught and punished. Right? With your rash driving. Point number 8. No washing of vehicles on the road. This is as per the Central Motor Vehicle Act. You're not allowed to wash vehicles. Point number 9, no playing of loud music after 10 p.m. except on festivals and special occasion. Okay? Alright? Point number 10, you are not authorized to issue any form of certificate or no objection. Certificates and no objection should and will be issued only by the Darbar Shillong Registrar. So if you have any kind of Raju, aap to malum hai, you also know, right from the olden days, if you want any kind of certificates, you approach us. And we never deny you. हम लोग deny किया कि नहीं? Never deny. You understand? So if it's genuine, if you are genuine, born and brought up, and if you are residents here, we never deny you. So that you must please understand. Point number 11. If there is any problems arising out from the colony, people from your colony should not come out and brandishing any weapons such as knives, talwars, or sticks. Okay? Alright? These are genuine. If you want us to work together with you, if you want to coexist in harmony, peaceful coexistence, you must please understand that these are not, ये जो हम लोग जो point अब जो हम लोग दे दिया है हमें, जो आप लोग खुद ही suggest किया हम लोग को, these are the things only that we have put here. And if you agree, you will sign, and if you don't agree, then you understand. Things that will come out from here, जो problem जो निकल रहा है यहाँ से, that will not be the problem of the Darbar. We will take it as per the law. You understand? Alright? So I request few of you members, senior members, you please sign this undertaking. Alright? We will Xerox this and we will send it to you also. We do not want any kind of unwanted disturbances. If you have any problem, if any of your people create problems, and if you feel that you cannot solve, call us.